it's Elle Chanel and welcome back to my channel. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'll be using only two colors. I'm going to use that reddish brown from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to use Moonstone from Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. It's the Sundipped palette. It's a pretty shimmer, so I felt like it would blend in perfectly with that brown. As an eyeshadow base, I'll be using that Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's in the shade Carmel. And then for liner, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Liner in Matte Black. And so I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to apply that onto my eyelid and make sure it's completely smooth before I apply my eyeshadow. So the first brush I'm going to use is the Morphe M518 brush, and I'm going to work that into my crease, and you'll see me switch up my brush. I had an issue because the brush was just way too fluffy. The hairs weren't closer together, so it wasn't picking up the color like I needed it to. So I eventually switched over to a different brush. It's a blended brush still, but the hairs were more closer together and it picked up the color perfectly. See this? I was struggling. I always use a brush that doesn't have any product on it, and I buff out those edges so I can make sure it's blended properly. This blending brush from the beauty supply store picked up this color really well. This brush is by Nika K, New York. Go get you one. It's been lasting me for a good little time. Anyway, so yeah, it really picked up the color really well, and it helped me, you know, get through this look because I was struggling on that last brush. I'm a real life goofball. Okay, so when I use any type of shimmer on my eyes, I always use the NYX glitter primer, and I just press it onto my eyelid with my finger. With that same finger I used to apply the glitter primer, I'm gonna use that to apply the shimmer highlighter slash eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna press that right over that glitter primer. I just found that it just works better for me if I use my finger. I'm gonna use a brush a little bit, you'll see that, but for the most part I use my finger. Every ABH palette comes with a double-ended brush, and I'm using the side that's more dense and flat to kind of blend in that brown into that champagne shimmery color. I want it to look like it's like, you know, fading into the brown. I'm constantly going back around the edges of that champagne color because I want to make sure that my finger is properly blending out that color. So that's why I'm constantly, you know, going back over it and checking it and stuff like that. That's why you see me doing that. The lashes I'm using for this look is called the Bubblegum Pink Lashes from Eye Candy's Lashes and Beauty. I love her lashes, so make sure you go check her out. Here is the Instagram page, and you can purchase all of your lashes. So, yeah. Make sure you sanitize your pencils when you are, before you use them again. So I use 91% alcohol. You don't want to be putting that eye juice back in your eye over and over again, you know? I'm gonna use this jet black color from the Lorac palette. It's the Lorac Matte Pro palette. This is like the blackest of the black eyeshadow I've ever had. And I'm gonna smoke out that liner. I'm gonna pop on some more mascara. It's the Better Than Sex mascara. Alright, so I'm gonna finish the other eye and I'm gonna come back on when I'm finished. Alright, so I straightened my hair to the best of my ability, baby. Let me tell you. Trying to do a silk press is hard when you never silk press your hair, or your hair is just not trained, you know? So it's not that the easiest. But this is where it comes to that was a lot. And I mean, it's not the straightest, but it is what it is. So the liner I'm gonna be using, I've been doing this look combo a lot lately. True Brown K by Kylie Cosmetics. I'm gonna do not Persistence. This is Velvet Teddy by MAC, and I'm gonna do Primordial. This is my new favorite nude lip gloss. She is done. Alright, so if you all want to see how I did my face, make sure you check out my other video on the e.l.f. matte putty primer. I did a review on that, and I actually did my face minus like my eyes and my lips. So check that video out, and you know, you'll be able to see how I did everything minus these and these. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoy watching me do this look, and tune into the next video.